Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Wow, what a frustrating chart. It's really not moving at all. It recently broke below that trend line there, this ascending trend line we talked about. However, we haven't got a sustained break below it, and it's since recovered a little bit, but the recovery is really weak and looks rather like a corrective rally here. So we're going to take a look at that. Overall, however, the chart doesn't give us any indication that it wants to reverse really in any way. Obviously, we talked about in previous videos about our primary scenario wave count. Just to give you a little bit of context, the chart hasn't really been moving in any exciting way since 2017. So it's obviously one of the dinosaurs in the crypto space. But in contrast to some other charts which actually have printed higher highs, higher lows, XRP hasn't done that. I'm sure everybody knows that, so it's been a disappointment in 2021. Also, the rally in 2021 was just a corrective rally. So this is not anything exciting. Any chart that hasn't made any all-time high in 2021 is to be seen with skepticism, in my opinion. So it is not a great chart. I've said it many times. However, I think at some point there will be, let's say, a sudden rally. It's just that without a clear setup, you can't really deal with it. It's just sort of difficult really to say, right? I mean, I offer support areas. I'm offering a support area right now. But please be aware that it's based on overall corrective structures. So we haven't got a clear pathway to the upside from here. It literally could go both ways. Why could it do that? Well, it's very simple. What does a triangle represent? Well, it represents a balance of forces. And you can see here that the chart has been making lower highs and higher lows. So it's really moving in this triangle, and triangles can it's just what they do. They can break out to the upside and to the downside. The overall structure, there are different ways of how to count this. I could say this is a third wave top in the yellow scenario, and we're dealing with a wave 4 triangle, like an A wave, a B wave, a C wave, a D wave, and maybe this is the E wave, and we're breaking to the upside. That's one optimistic perspective. The other one would be to see this as a wave 1, that, different interpretations possible due to what happened here originally. And then this would be an A wave down. This is a B wave triangle, and it would break down before it could then recover. So overall, we give it a chance, but it really needs to give us some kind of evidence by breaking out. Obviously, we have a key breakout point up there at $2.06. And also you can pay attention to these trend lines. The upper boundary line, if we rallied to it now, it would be around $1.30. So a break above that level could surely send it to $2.06. But there's already the last swing high at 95 cents, which needs to break first as next key resistance. So I just want to give you a bit of context. Not a great context, and it's moving in corrective structures. And we track the micro count because we want to see when the chart finally gives us any kind of impulse or a 5-wave pattern. So far, all the rallies here that we've been tracking over 2023, throughout 2023, have been corrective structures, in both directions. So we're moving up, we're moving down, we're not really moving, because literally corrective structures don't lead to any progress in the chart. It's simply sideways action. And also here, we've just seen another corrective structure. A wave, B wave, and the C wave is likely unfolding right now. But we're now in a support area. From here, the price has a chance to reverse between 52 cents and 37. There are two possibilities. Either we complete the A, B, C structure here in an X wave, and would then move up in a Y wave, still within the triangle, possibly targeting, sort of the $1 mark. Or we're extending this ABC structure in the X wave, and this move down is an A wave. Then we have the B wave still unfolding and the C wave down then, and then we could recover. But this is a support area. I mean, if this level breaks, it's not going to look good for XRP. The 37-cent level, if that level breaks, that's not good. Why is that not good? Let's go to the daily chart and we see that. This is the 78.6 retracement level of the rally that started in June 22. Any break below the 78.6 fib is indicating a lot of weakness, and it will increase the probabilities for a break below the June 22 lows massively. And that would mean we're breaking below, 28 cents, and it could actually be that breakout point to the downside that could send us to 11 cents or even lower than that. So again, that would at least trigger, I think, the trapdoor to open to the 10-cent mark. So that's why I think, we're currently dealing with a support area. The market has now been correcting after this rally that happened as a result of that court decision in July 23. So again, like half a year of correction. Doesn't look finished yet, to be honest, but we are in a support area which I'm observing for a potential reversal, for a potential small 1-2 setup. At the moment, it's literally just catching the falling knife, unfortunately. Yeah, that's my update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.